perfect moment, mate.
Recording?
I'm the worst throw in the world.
Oh, someone hit me in the bollocks. I'm filming, not...
Well, you're not filming no more.
No.
That corner.
Got shot right in the bollocks.
Which far, the real far corner or this corner here?
Far corner.
What, the one by the second door?
Yeah.
I'm never going to be able to throw that far.
You will.
I'm not. I'm the worst thrower in the world.
Just choke by the power of Grayskull and throw it.
You better hurry up, you guys are coming in.
That was an epic throw, but missed completely. That didn't work as well.